Hi, this is Karan, and you are seeing the Kodai Waterfall, which is very popular near Isha Yoga Center. And we are just going to go down, and this is how it goes. So here you see the greenery, the water stream, and that's where we are going to have some fun, but not exactly there. Just hold on. So that's the stream. That's the stream which is going downside the mountains. So you can see how the stream gets collected in form of a swimming pool. All right. So here comes the swimming pool. That's where we are going to swim. And better not pee in the water. So look at this beauty. This beauty is amazing. And the people they are playing. So the upper side will be ladies from our group. The bottom side will be men. So probably I'll choose the swimming pool, which is an infinite swimming pool over in the corner. I think that looks really beautiful. What do you say, Janice?
Yeah,
It looks.
it looks great.
Oh, amazing! So let's go and undress ourselves, and we are going to undress there, and not get into the swimming suit, and then jump on it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.